Hello, I'm Louis. This is my CSSE120 final project. Here is my robot, and I called my project Catch Me. So I stole his remote, and he'll try to catch my remote. And let's get started. So there is more windows. Let's click welcome first. So it says welcome player, please enter your name. It can be anything. You can set everything as your name. And by clicking hello DFFFF, robot will start to speak. This time let's set my name in. Yeah, it said he'll find me. We have done this name setting. Let's go to the real part, catch me part. So on this part we have 3 mode for this robot. It will be a fast one, medium one, and slow one. And let's set these to the channel 1 and open it. Let's get started from the fast version. Oops. It stops when it's close to the remote, and it says catch me because I said my name in, so it says catch me, got you, Louis. Let's put it here. Let's try the medium one. Yeah, he got to me again. Let's place this here. Find me again. We still have like a slow mode. Let's try a slow one. That's really slow. So that's my project. Thanks for watching.